How to compress PDF file size. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can compress PDF file size. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that we'll take here is first head over to our folders to find the PDF. Now I'll just see this, file size here, and let's say that this is a file size that I want to compress. Now, if I want to compress this PDF file size, I'll head over to my web browser and then simply search for I love PDF, and there you should see the compressed PDF files. Open that up, and now from here you can select a PDF file. I'll just simply drag and drop this PDF here, and after you do that, simply tap on compress and it should start compressing. Now this also depends on your internet speed and your file size. So just wait for a while, and after it compresses, you'll be able to download it. Now as you can see right here, the PDF file size is now 55% smaller, and now you can download the compressed PDF file. And that is how you can compress a PDF file. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.